Hey friends, if you ask any scientist that is time travel possible, then the answer will be such like as Galileo gave the concept of aeroplane and it came to existence after 200 years. The concept of time travel will also come to existence in some time. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Fiction Science. As you guys have understood what is our topic today, we will not waste any time and focus on our topic. Today we will discuss about time travel and Einstein's contribution to this by means of theory of relativity. We will discuss about the importance of black hole in time travel and we will compare time with a train. 90% people don't know how time started and 90% people believe that time is same for everyone in this universe. That is 60 seconds equals to 1 minute and 60 minutes equals to 1 hour as Galileo invented. But Einstein's theory of relativity changed our thoughts. Albert Einstein proved with the help of mathematics that time is not same for everyone. To understand this theory, one should have a good concept in mathematics, but we will understand it in a very simple manner. By this theory of relativity, Einstein proved that time is different everywhere in this universe. Not only that, in Earth also, time is different in every place. Before theory of relativity came, humans believed time in Earth equals to time in everywhere in this universe. But the truth is, space and time are related to each other, which is known as space-time. Time is 4-dimensional, which can be increased or decreased. In easy words, we can make 60 minutes equals to 1 hour or 61 minutes equals to 1 hour. Time is like a sea in space, where time flows in a faster rate at one side, whereas time flows at a slower rate on another side of the universe. Theory of relativity proves this. This theory says that a planet or thing whose mass is more, time flows at a slower speed to that. For example, the regions beside the pyramids in our Earth, time flows at a slower rate. But if you think that you can understand it, then you are totally wrong, as the time interval is so small that it cannot be recognized. Approx for 100 years, there is a time interval of only 1 second. So if you remain for 100 years beside the pyramids and come back to real world, then you will come to 1 second future. This proves that time travel is possible. Theory of relativity greatly increases our excitement to go to future. It is clear that time travel is possible by this theory and the equation of space-time. If any object can move at a speed of space-time, that is 3 lakh km per second or 90% of its speed, then it can catch the speed of time. But this theory was engraved in the writings of 1900 AD. In the starting of this AD, the greatest scientist of this era, Stephen Hawking, who passed a few days ago, when described about this theory and time travel, then it was clear that time travel is 100% possible. But the question is how? Stephen Hawking said to imagine a train track which will be laid on the whole earth. And then a train is supposed to travel in it, which will move at a speed of light. Then all the objects on the earth will move at a slower speed compared to the train, and a time interval will occur. Suppose the train starts to move with a few passengers on 1st January 2019 and slowly starts to catch the speed of light. Then an amazing thing will occur inside the train. Time will flow at a slower speed inside the train. So if the passengers travel for 7 days inside the train, then it will be 65 years for Earth. The passengers after landing from the train will see that their childs have grown older, but they have crossed a time span of only 7 days. Though this theory is totally true, it cannot be really possible, as till now human civilization cannot make such train that travels at that speed. If that would be possible, then human can travel to another planets also. But it is confirmed that time travel is possible, but till now human can't make time machines. But there are some natural things which can make possible to do time travel, such as black hole. Black holes are such things present in this universe whose gravity is millions of times more than our Earth's. Its gravity is so much that if any star or planet comes near it, the black hole sucks it and the object never returns. This black hole is created due to the destruction of stars such as Sun, and all the fuel and resources present in it comes closer, and with the insertion of planets and stars it goes on bigger. This black hole's gravity is such that light can't come outside it if it goes inside it. Thus black holes are totally black. Suppose our Earth is forced to make it a size of a cricket ball, then any surface object can't insert it. Black holes is such like that, in which there are thousands of stars and planets which make such a shape in the black hole, whose mass and gravity is a million times more than our sun. But there is a safety point in this black hole, which is the orbit of the black hole. In this place, time travel is possible. As discussed earlier, in the theory of relativity, the object having a greater mass, time flows at a slower speed for it. That's why time also flows at a slower speed in the orbital region of the black hole. If human can make a spaceship and revolve it around the orbit of the nearest black hole to this Milky Way galaxy, whose radius is 2.5 crore kilometers, for 10 years, then it will be 20 years for Earth. So it is totally clear that time travel is possible. But if you are thinking that can human go to black hole which are thousands of light years away from Earth, then it is totally right. As humans can't make a spaceship or can't give such amount of fuel till now. So far the fastest spaceship made by humans is Kepler, whose speed is only 11 km per second. So it's not possible to go to black hole and return to Earth. For science, it's an imagination only. So is not time travel possible? The answer is yes, it is possible. But how? There are so many descriptions, and wormhole is one of them, which we will discuss in the next episode of Fiction Science. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for such interesting stories, and also don't forget to comment and share. At last, stay happy, stay cool.